Hello all and welcome back. In this video, we're going to see how to install live server extension in Visual Studio Code. So we have this welcome.html page available. Open this in the browser. So right click and select this option. Now you can see your page in the browser. So let us arrange both the windows so that you can see the difference. Now here we have Visual Studio Code and your browser. Let me make changes into our markup. So I'll add h1 tag. So I've added h1 tag. Now you can find after making the changes into your markup, your browser is not updated automatically. You need to refresh the browser manually. Then only the changes will appear on your page. Now we'll automate this with the help of live server. So when you install live server, it will automatically reflect the changes you make into your markup or script code or CSS. So let us try this out. So close this browser, install live server extension. So go to extensions option in activity area and type here live server. Now here you have the first option available. Select this and install this extension. Now your extension has been installed. So close this. After installing this extension, you will find one more option is added here, open with live server. Click on this option. Now here you have this page available. Now let us arrange these windows again. Now you can see whenever you make changes, automatically this extension will refresh your page in the browser. So let me change this ordered list to unordered list. So I'll use UL tag. Whenever you save the changes, automatically it will reflect in the browser. Now let me add a horizontal line, HR, and save this. So you'll find browser will update automatically. Let me add P tag here. Say hello world and save this. Automatically browser will refresh. So you'll find hello world is added. Not only it will reflect the changes made to markup but to CSS and JavaScript as well. So if you go to CSS and if you change this to say, let me select this and save this. So you'll find background color is changed to the given color. This is how you can install and use live server extension. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to us, and I'll see you in the next video.